Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue when attempting to sign into a user account on Windows 10, where it states that if you want to sign in remotely, you need the right to sign in through remote desktop services. So we're going to go about how to resolve this without too much of a hassle here, and we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Type in group policy. Please note this will apply for Windows 10 Professional and higher editions, as Windows 10 Home unfortunately does not include the group policy editor. So we're going to go ahead and just open this up. And now what we are going to do is expand underneath computer configuration. So we're going to be working under this top section for today's tutorial. And we're going to, underneath computer configuration, like I said, double click on the Windows settings folder, and now do the same thing for security settings. There should be a local policies folder listed under here. Again, double click on that, and now there should be a users rights assignment folder. Just left click on that one time. Now on the right side there should be something that says allow logon through remote desktop services. So now you want to select the add user or group button, and then where it says enter the object name to select, you want to type in remote desktop users. Select check names. Since I already have that on my computer, that's why it's not coming up with it, but it should appear remote desktop users underscored, and then you just would select OK to save the change at that point. And then once you're done, you just would select apply and OK to save that out. And then once you're done with that, you would go ahead and just close out of here. You'd open up the Start menu and type in CMD. Best match to go back with command prompt. Right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, so you want to type in gp update followed by a space /force. So again, GPU PDATE space /force. Hit enter on your keyboard. It should say updating policy. And then once that's done, you can minimize out of the command prompt. I'm going to go back into the group policy editor. You want to now expand again underneath computer configuration, Windows settings, double click on that, security settings, double click on that. Should be a local policies folder, and then there should be something on the right panel that says user rights assignment. Go ahead and double click on it. And now you want to look for an entry that says deny logon through remote desktop services. Right here, go ahead and double click on that. And if there's any group in here that says users, you want to go ahead and just select it and then select remove. So you want to remove that. So this is basically what's denying us in here. So if there are any users in here, you want to select it, select remove, and then select apply and OK. And then you would close out of here, and then you'd run the same command we did before. So gp updatt space /force. So the exact same command we did before, you type that in, hit enter. And once that's done, it should be about it, and it should say it has completed successfully. Close out of here, restart your computer, and hopefully that'll be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.